Okay, so on this one, I have a mirror right here, by the way. So I'm opening up this closet here. This is actually like a playroom, play closet area. So that way I can get back further into the wall and get this cool angle, this cool shot here. And I'm getting a sliver of the door. On this one, it's not a matter of like showing boundaries, even though if we keep it in there, it will. But it's more just to get some secure alignments for the vertical alignment. Okay. And then we have kind of like this shoe thing here. And I would like to get this angle here. I don't know if I can. Okay, what I might have to do is loosen up the legs here and come back. Okay. So now I'm just working on my horizontals and verticals kind of all at the same time. I'm gonna increase my metered manual. I don't want to show the whole entertainment center, but I think this would be good here. There we go. And then put my metered manual back at negative 0.7. And then I'm going to inspect that shot. Okay. Not bad. My verticals on this side is a little loose, but we have enough to where if I were to correct it in post, it should be fine. So we're just going to keep it. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Maybe a 24 at the entry here as an establishing shot. Okay. And I want to get a little bit of the window, a little bit of the couch, just to add to the framing of this. Not a rule, but that's just kind of my rule. Okay, we got too much window there now. Gonna get maybe over here. And then horizontals and verticals. All right, we're just gonna go with something like that. It's not perfect, I don't think. But actually, I think it is, yeah. That's a good establishing shot. Maybe one over here. And this one, I'm not going to get the TV or entertainment center at all. It's kind of expected. Oh, we got somebody right there backing out. We gotta wait. Come on, guy. Okay, I'm gonna get it right here. Okay, there we go. We got that shot. I'm not gonna wait for them to come out. Okay. I just need to wait for them to move, so that way I don't get blurred out shots through the window. On this one, possibly a squared up shot. And lower, maybe. Yeah, probably lower. But I do want to get the door jambs on the side, for sure. Okay, we're going to put this all the way down. And that trash can, not in love with. I might move it, but we'll see. Get a couple of squares here. And then this will be kind of my handle for it. Okay, get my verticals. My horizontals, I'm not sure. I can't get that top part aligned, or at least I don't have a reference for that alignment. But it looks good. If I want to, I can just zoom in like this and work on it that way too. Just work on my way back. Okay, we're gonna go with this. Maybe raise it up just a titch more. I just don't like cutting off that toilet bowl. Okay. So we can do that. That could be one shot. And then the other shot, actually we have a mirror there and a mirror there. I was gonna say we can get in this way, but that's not gonna be of any value, I don't think. We'll see. Let's capture it anyway. We're here. Okay, appointment started at 9:30. 9:49, so 20 minutes since I walked through the home, turn on the lights and everything, and get this, another one of these little guys. And I'm gonna go through and do a floor plan too. I'm gonna reach in there. Yuck. And then this door, actually before I move this door, I'm just gonna get a shot of the pantry. Squared up, backed up, door jambs, ceiling and baseboards for my horizontal alignment. There we go here. And then this way here, gotta get super close to the wall. Okay. That is a really big refrigerator. I wish they put like some sort of decorative wall there. Okay, if you know my fat triangle rule, the fat triangle of this room is actually on this side, but I'm getting 4 walls anyway, so it really doesn't matter. And let me see if I can show you later, like why the 4th wall. And I'm not trying to persuade you, I'm just trying to show you kind of my perspective on why I do things. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but I have my reasons. Okay, so on this one, 24 on a kitchen like this really doesn't work well, especially with how the furniture is laid out. Like if there were no dining room table here, then I could have gotten maybe a medium shot, or a middle shot, I mean, of it with the 24. But not a whole lot we can do about that right now. So I'm just gonna get my 24s anyway. And then I'll go in with the 16. So it's still at 24. And this one's gonna show the appliances, but we don't have the dishwasher in this one. Dishwasher is a selling point for most homes, especially in this price range. So we do wanna show that as much as we can. Okay, and maybe, this might work, 24 like this. We just show the face of the refrigerator. We don't actually have to show the whole thing, it's implied. Okay, duck a little bit, so that way I'm not in the microwave. Okay, now we do a 16 here, and dishwasher's right there. Okay, so we get the insides, the innards of the kitchen here. I would like to have this more of a vertical in the image, but we don't have that luxury with how far back or how far forward the refrigerator is. And this shot here is strictly for the dishwasher, and this is gonna look like a stick if I don't move it. I wonder if I do this, raise it up, will this be a good shot? I think so. Nice, composed. Okay, we're gonna get it. Okay, now dining room, maybe from this angle here. I increase my metered manual. All right, so this is actually a really good example. I got a corner of the countertop here, and this shows how far back I can go. I don't wanna go too far back and then have the obstruction of the countertop take away from the real estate of the room. So that's what I'm doing. I already have one that's further back this way. I'm curious to see what would it look like if I got the lower cabinet face and also the face of this wall. How would that look? And personally, I like this better. And then we'll go over here. So I'm balancing the edge of the top cabinet there and then beyond the door here. So that way it's weighted, somewhat symmetrical or balanced in the framing. And then I think we're good here. All right.